Hi, it's Chris from PageNorth, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on Facebook Desktop. This is dead easy. Your first port of call is to click on Create Post. Now, normally, if you were going to create a post which is to be published straight away, you would click on In Facebook. But for this exercise, we're going to click on In Meta Business Suite. So we let that load, and then we go to Create Post. So I've already copy pasted the caption that I want, so I'm going to put it in the text box. This day 2007, long lines of buyers queued for the first iPhone in the USA. 1 million were sold in only 74 days, and it quickly became Apple's most successful product. This is an on this day content feature for Facebook, so we'll want a photo to accompany that as well. So this is a copyright-free image that I found on a website called Unsplash. So there we go. So the anniversary of this is actually on the 29th of June 2007. So we want this post to go out on the 29th. So if we wanted it to go out right now, I would just click publish and that would be it out there. But if you click on this arrow, schedule post, I'm going to set this up for the 29th and we'll put it out at 10 in the morning. So let's set that up. There we go, 29th of June 2022 at 10 AM. We'll save that and simply click on Schedule Post. And that's it, dead easy. At 10 o'clock on Wednesday the 29th, that's the post that will go out on Facebook.